everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be packing for Julie for a camping trip. We are going to be there for 2 days, so not a very long video, but yeah. Okay, so right here I have a packing cube, and it's like pretty small, like compared to my hand, it's pretty small. So I think this will be perfect for Julie. So yeah, let's get packing. Okay guys, so I picked out some bottoms, that was on top, some bottoms and some tops, and a swimsuit because there's a lake where we're going. Oh, sorry, river. Okay, so let's, or actually I think I'm gonna like pair them and then put them in. So yeah. And bam. So these are our clothes. So this and this, and this and that, this and that, and that and that. Then that. Hang on. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, so then these two shoes, and then a bathing suit and an extra jacket, because it's gonna be pretty cold up there. Like probably like high 60s maybe, I'm not sure. But it's gonna be pretty cold up there. Okay, and then I have this backpack, so inside here, sorry, I don't have my tripod because, well actually it's not my tripod. I have 2 tripods, I can't find them. So I've been using my sister's, but she's gone right now. Okay. Or my stepsister's. Okay. So we have this. It's like, oh my gosh. Whatever. All of these are pencils, so it looks like that. And then we've got some, that and this little pen. Oh my gosh, I love this pen so much. Okay. Then we have her bracelet. Got it from Hawaii from, it's either my friend or Dolly Days. I can't remember. Okay, and then some change, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. And then I'm going to put her phone in there once I find it. I can't find it right now. Okay. So, anyways, I can get this in. Okay, there we go. I'll just put it later. Okay, so then you go in here, and I just made this book out of a tissue thing, because my sister was reading this thing called Pretend She's Here, or this book called Pretend She's Here, so I just made a book out of it because I needed a doll book, and I didn't feel like buying one. Okay, and then we have Courtney's Doodles book. Okay, I love this book so much. Hang on. Let me get to the front page. Okay. So we have this. This. Welcome back. I don't have time to go all through them, but it's really cool. And then I have like a little like file. I don't know why. You know, we don't need that. Okay. Ugh. Then I will have her phone, and I'm going to try to find a water bottle, because I know I have one. I just can't find it. Oh, it's with all my accessories that are in my closet, which, yeah. So, yeah, here's her packing thing, and let's close it up. One moment. Oh my gosh. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so there is her thing, her packing, and then her backpack. And then, Okay. I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye.